Remember, we're not done with this yet, because we're still going to make the center cap. Zoom in on this a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to make a line from this corner down by, make sure it's Z-negative by 1. Slice this, 3 points. And just make sure it's on polar. And then we have our little cap piece here. So we're going to move this over here. Now, that's that. So this is missing a slice of 1, so we're just going to copy this here, scale it from anywhere by 0.75, make 1 copy of that. Make sure you do it by this endpoint here. Make it to where it literally does that. So we have 2 of them caked up. Just going to make another box right here, and then up. We're basically going to union, typed it wrong, union all 3 of these pieces. We're going to use that to cut our center out of this. Now, take a line from this point here, right there, same on here. I'm going to move this from the midpoint here to the midpoint on the line, should show through, union. Select our 2 objects here, and then our center cap is complete. I'll go ahead and change that. Now we're going to want to make a line from here to here. Make a line from the bottom here to the bottom over there. Move this from our midpoint to midpoint. I did that wrong, but I can fix it. I want to move it down from its top point to its bottom point to where it's now flush. I want to subtract from this piece. We're going to take this one out. Then here's our completed centerpiece. Go ahead and take that. So I'm going to delete this. Move this from the bottom of it down. Let's go ahead and take that out. Free up some more RAM. And remember, the cap is flush with the top of the cubes. We're just going to move it by the top into the corner. Easy. Now, make a cylinder. Here, radius of 2.25, and a height of -10. Make a line from the center of it down to the other center of it. Make sure you have it turned on no snap. Object snap. Copy the entire thing, including the line. We have 3 of them. Rotate 3D this cylinder from its midpoint on, let's go ahead and make it the 180-degree axis. Oh, crud. Object snap can be a pain. So midpoint, 180, 90 degrees. Move from the midpoint to the midpoint of the hidden line in there. Lines up. Let's go ahead and delete that. Rotate 3D here, 90-degree axis, 90 degrees. Here, move it by its hidden. Sometimes it'll try and graphically realign itself. Don't worry about it. There. Union of these 3 cylinders to make our core. Move it away so we can take out this line. Go ahead and make this another color. Escape. Let's go ahead and move it from the center of that to the center of that. And there's all your pieces, all lined up, all they need to be. Hope this helps you, Pierce, and later from Mark Wolf.